Imagine this, you start trading today. No experience, no strategy, just hope. Fast forward 1 year. Either you become profitable or you lose everything and quit. Now here's the truth. 90% of traders fail. Not because trading is impossible, but because they follow no plan. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete 1-year roadmap that can take you from beginner to profitable trader.
This is not a get-rich-quick video. This is a real structured plan. It is based on 4 powerful phases: understanding trading, building strategy, backtesting, trading psychology. If you follow this roadmap with discipline, your results can completely change.
If you want to make money trading, you first have to understand the game. Most beginners jump straight in. They trade signals, not systems. I once watched someone sell the dip and lose half their account. That's because they skipped the basics. Start with risk, position size, stop loss, max drawdown, then define your edge, entry rules, exit rules, repeatable setup. Mindset matters. Don't let fear or FOMO run the show. Paper trade first, small live size later. Understand the game before you try to beat it. Want a simple checklist to start? Follow me and I'll send it.
You must learn these fundamentals. What is trading? How markets move, buyers versus sellers, supply and demand. Then comes the real tools, candlestick patterns, support and resistance, volume analysis. These are not just concepts. This is how the market speaks.
If there's one thing you should master, it's risk management. Trading is not about winning every time. It's about surviving long enough to win. Rule: never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Lose small and win big. That's the game.
Most people ignore this, and that's exactly why they blow their accounts. Phase 2, building your strategy. Now comes the most important step. Create your own system. Customize your style. Not every strategy works for everyone. 16.9.
Aggressive or patient? I had to choose. If I'm aggressive, I scalp. Fast in, fast out. Seconds matter. If I'm patient, I swing trade. I hold for days, let the trend work. Or I'm a day trader. Right between them. Same day setups, no overnight stress. My strategy must match my personality. Then I choose my market. Forex, crypto, stocks. Bitcoin moves fast. Gold stays steady. Stocks flip on the news. Tell me, scalp, day, or swing? And Forex, crypto, or stocks? Comment your pick now.
Markets don't move the same all day. Focus on high volume sessions. This is where real money is made. If you skip this step, you will always feel confused in trading. Phase 3, backtesting. Now comes the step most traders skip. Backtesting.
You don't need guesses, you need data. Backtesting shows whether your strategy actually works. It reveals where you are losing money. It shows what needs improvement. Professional traders don't rely on emotions. They rely on statistics. If your system wins 60% of the time, you can make money consistently.
No backtesting equals sign gambling. I learned that the hard way. Phase 4, trading psychology. This is where most traders fail. Not because their strategy is bad, but because emotions hijack decisions. Fear. I closed winners early. Greed. I risked too much and lost it fast. Revenge trading. I chased losses and wiped out gains. The fix? Clear rules, proper backtests, and a trading journal. Want my simple backtest checklist? Follow me and I'll share it.
To win in trading, you must control yourself, not the market. Let's recap. Phase 1, learn the basics. Phase 2, build your strategy. Phase 3, backtest it. Phase 4, master your mindset. Follow this for 1 year and your life can change.
Trading is not easy, but it is simple if you follow the right plan. 1 year from now, you will thank yourself if you start today, or you will regret not starting. The choice is yours. If you're serious about trading, take action now. Subscribe now and start your journey today.
I fixed my progress with one tiny change. I was stuck for months. Then I mapped my journey into 4 phases. Phase 1 is where most people overdo it. Phase 2 feels productive, but it's misleading. Are you in phase 1, 2, 3, or 4? Comment below. Phase 3 is where momentum finally kicks in. Phase 4, that's maintenance and compounding. I shifted one habit between phases. Now I get consistent wins every month. If you want that shift, follow me and tell me your phase.